Okay guys, someone told me I am a Tagalog. So let's see. In the Suki part, when I last upload the video named Why But the Suki, and there was a comment on me saying, "Are you Tagalog? What, it is me? What? Okay, I am revealing the truth. My truth is, I am a Tagalog. So, I can speak anything but Tagalog. Do you want me to go Tagalog? Sige. Punta tayo sa mga basa natin sa Tagalog. If you don't understand, that will be okay. I have examples of this. There are nga, nge, ni, hu, hu, a, e, i, o, u. Yung ibang word ay I always get confused. Mga ibon, mga aso. Yung aso ay dog, yung ibon ay bird. So that is my appearance. I live in the Philippines. So see you guys sa sunod na video.